Previously on...
Why are you staring at a pin?
Miss Rel, I suggest you lower your voice.
To her? That would be wise.
Mira, let us stay reasonable.
Reasonable?
We can discuss this after the guests leave.
You invited them to watch me lose you.
Damon is trying to spare you.
By replacing me in public?
By correcting a mistake before vows made it expensive.
Mother.
Do not pretend I am the cruel one.
You do not get to take it from me.
Mira.
I am giving it back. Here, you can give it to someone practical.
That is unfair.
No, it is accurate. Damon, do not let her perform nobility. My peace is more valuable than any ring.
Mira.